foul pa. Let's see kung iniwanan ng paa ni Pito Harencio. Well, I think it's correct. Nakita naman nila yun na hinabulan ng paa And they've done it because of the three-point shot in the second half.
It was also Harencio who helped bail them out of trouble in the last time they met. Narito si Magsanok and referee Bernarte.
May foul muna tinawag si Bailey Desma tapos humabol si Bernarte from on top. Let's see what he's doing under the foul. Technical foul pa. Let's see kung iniwanan ng paa ni Pito Harencio. Well, I think it's correct. Nakita naman nila yun na hinabulan ng paa
The technical. Scored.
Now, was that in the act of shooting? The one of Magsanok?
It looks...
Doesn't look like it is.
No.
And that will be the 15th foul of Ginebra, so that will mean they will also be in the penalty when the ball is given to the inbounder.
Matagal na silensyo ang Shell, ano?
That's right. And they needed that, you know, technical free throw shot. Pumasok. Possession pa ninyo. So that's an advantage.